How to create a Cameo selfie on your Snapchat account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. Then when your Snap is opening, guys, you go here to uh, your profile, then click and then go to settings here, and then you will just go to Cameos and click. Then click create Cameos selfie. Then you will add your face. For example, I don't wanna add my face here. I will just go to camera roll and choose a picture selfie. For example, this. Then I will choose if it's boy or girl. Then it's boy. I will click continue. And then now it's as you see it's creating. And then click OK. And now I have like my cameos. So for example, if I go down here, I will find my cameos. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.